Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenny Castro. Today is Monday, May 10th, 2021, as you can see in the calendar. And today is a special day because it's Mother's Day. So, don't forget to hug your moms, hug your mom, your grandma, and also your aunts and that all the people that is among. So this week we're going to talk about TV shows and movies. But first, let's learn a little bit about the types and genre that are in the TVs and movies. Let's see about the types of TV shows that we see or we can see in the TV. So first, we can see a film in the TV. There are a lot of films that only are in the TV and they are not in the movie theater. So those films are or those movies are projected only in the TV. We can see the cartoons like Clarence or stuff like that. Natural program like in Discovery Channel. The drama, there are a lot of drama. I don't think you watch drama, but your mom or your dad should. You also can watch music programs. I don't think you watch this, but there is music programs in the TV like MTV, Page One, where you listen to music. The news, very important. The news. There are a lot of channels with news. You can also watch chat shows like Ventaneando or the ones that are in the morning that I don't know the name. Quiz shows like 100 Mexicanos Dijeron and all those that are like questions when you have a winner and stuff like that. A sports program, there are a lot of sports programs. Comedy program, you can watch comedy programs in, I think it's Comedy Central. Weather forecast, you can see that weather forecast in the news, the Western program or Western program about the cowboys. You also can see, you can watch horror, soap opera. Soap opera, it's here the translation of soap opera will be novelas. Yeah. Reality shows, there are a lot of reality shows. I don't think you watch them, but reality shows is where when there are cameras in your house and the program shows the person what the person does the in the house. And well, ballet, the dance programs will be so. But also very important that in TV we watch a lot of commercials. The thing that we hate the most are the commercials. So let's see. Can you name the first one over here? The news. Yeah. Here will be quiz show. I can see here the weather, so it would be weather forecast and discount 75%. I think that will be the commercials. In movie genre, we're going to see or we can watch the westerns that are like the cowboys, pom pom, the action that is when you see a lot of action with the police, explosions, the cars, like in Fast and Furious, stuff like that. Romance, oh romance. the science fiction, like in Star Wars and all that. Horror movies. I don't think you watch horror movies because I don't watch horror movies. I'm very scared. Cartoons. Like all the Disney do or Pixar do, it's cartoons. The comedy. There are a lot of movies with comedy. Historical movies, fantasy movies like Lord of the Rings or Hobbit, all that. We can see documentary also, war-related movies or musical movies. So, can you tell me the genre of these three? The first one seems a little scary, so I don't know about you, but I think it's horror. Yeah, this one is horror. You can see a cowboy here. Hmm. What's the genre for cowboy? I Yeah, that's right. It's western. And the last one, you see a soldier. So if we saw soldier, it's going to be about war. That's right. And yeah, that's it for today. We're going to discuss more about this tomorrow, but today it's all. Have a very nice day. See you tomorrow. And don't forget to hug your moms. Happy Mother's Day. See you tomorrow.